Students, we are on the exercise of chapter number 3. Let's move to our next question, and the next question is change the following words into nouns. Now we have number of words here: save, excited, devastating, active, helpless, hopeless, able and justify. So all of these words we have to convert them into nouns. Now look at the first blank. Doctors are concerned with dash of the patient. So we have here safe. How we can turn safe into noun? When we write it like this way, S-A-F-T-E-Y. So safety, safe become safety. In state of dash, she cried loudly. We have excited. In state of excitement. Then we have flood often cause large scale devastating. So when we convert devastating into devastation, it becomes a noun. Then we have active. So active को हम कैसे nouns में change कर सकते हैं? Let's see. Active become activity. So activity is a noun. Her dash was quite obvious. Her. So we have here helpless. How we convert helpless into noun? That will become helplessness. The next is she was in state of dash. Here we have hopeless. So we will convert hopelessness as a noun. Then we have she has dash required for the job. We have here able. So we will convert able into ability. And the last is, have you any dash of this act? We have here justify. So we'll convert justify into justification, which is a noun. Students, I hope you understand this exercise of converting words into noun. Let's move to next exercise.